What's going on, guys? So today we have some awesome news. It is amazing. I'm in the garage right now. Here's my dad's new trike. Here's the car. And check out what we got right here. Look at this. This is absolutely crazy. The merch has dropped. Oh my god, this is so dope. Jeez, the camera doesn't even do this any justice. It looks so freaking awesome. Oh my god, I'm so proud of myself. Check out the front of this thing. Oh my god, that's so awesome. If you guys want this, go check it out on the link below. It just dropped today. It is amazing. It came out way better than I thought. The camera's not doing any justice for this merch. Oh my god, it is so lit. Oh my god, I have a feeling this is gonna fly. I've been having so many people messaging me about this stuff, and you know, I've just been waiting a week, and I finally got this, and I had to make some final changes, and it is absolutely amazing. I love it. You guys are gonna love it too. It is awesome. $19.99. Go check the link down below. While we're already out here, how about we talk about what happened at MLK show? Look at this. Oh my god, I don't know if you guys can see it. It's really sunny out. But not only that, yeah, it cracks all the way up through. I can't even see my phone screen because it's so bright. But it's starting to even crack down. And then if you open the door, it's cracking here. This has been here for a little bit, but it's spread more than I thought. It cracked through here all the way up inside there. It actually put a really big indent in the paint. And then it's starting to crack all the way on this side too. So pretty much the lower half of the door is solid, but that top glass is just going like this. It's just bouncing, and it's pretty much like breaking the door in half. So pretty much like the top half of the door from here down, you know, is solid, and up where the glass is, all of that black is just bending outwards, and it is just killing the door. So I'm gonna show you guys kind of an idea what we got going on. So this right here is gonna fix some of it, not all of it, but some of it. And I'm about to show you what this is gonna fix. So let's open the door right here. All right, so as you can see here, we got a 90, we got a 90, and you know, this is right where the joint is for the top and the bottom. And also went into there. Oh, we got a 1-inch piece right here with a 90-degree. We're gonna slap that right on there, hammer it into the shape and form of the door, because obviously the door's got a little bit of a curve to it. And we're gonna bond it together, rivet it in, and you know, hope that stops this and just doesn't spread the crack even further up. Yeah, so I'm really hoping that this will help it. This side I don't have nothing for, because obviously, you know, that's not gonna work. Look at that, that ain't gonna work. So I don't really know what to do for that side. I'm really hoping that this side is gonna fix that from happening. But then on the outside, this is the pain. This is gonna take a while, but you know, it's gotta get done ASAP. So we're probably gonna take this, panel bond it all together. Then we're gonna have to sand all of this down and take a piece of steel, get it rolled, and run it all the way across. Can't really just do like right here, because if you do there, it's gonna fix the problem just temporary, because the crack might start over here now, because that's where the new pressure point is. And you know, we can't have that. And then maybe even since it's cracking over here, it might even start cracking down here under the mirror. So you know, you can't have that either. So I figured a big piece of steel to run right across the door, feather it in, maybe round it off on the edges, and rivet it in, bond it together, paint it, you know, paint match, clear coat. I think it'll look pretty good. I figured, you know, it's better than just having a little patch here. It'll, you know, actually make it look like it's meant to be there. I want to do something inside the door, but I don't want to take these off. And once you are inside there, there's a lot of factory stuff there that would have to be either removed, or I don't even want to know where to begin. But other than that, guys, to further excite you with some news, I also have a new car coming soon. Look at that merch though. Oh. So it's about time to park this thing. You know, I've been driving it for, you know, with audio systems in it for, you know, about 5 to 6 years. And I've absolutely beat the hell out of this thing. You know, a lot of people don't realize this is my daily driver. And it does have a crazy system in it, especially for a daily driver. So it is time to take this thing off the road. And it's kind of good, because there's a lot of stuff I want to do to it that will require me to not drive it for long periods of time. So I'm getting a new car next month. I already looked at a couple. I'll leave that as a surprise, but we're gonna have to take the garage here. You know, we got this stuff here. I'm gonna have to lay some more down all the way over there, take all the gym mats up, and we're going to just pull my car in here. But it's messy now because all the Christmas stuff and everything's still down. Been doing a lot of work in here, so I haven't really had time to clean. Yes, so that's just what it came down to. The other door's starting to crack too in the same spot, so we're just gonna have to do a double what we're doing over there. So it's just gonna take even longer. And I just figured now's the time. I'm gonna make the call, take her off the road, and she's just gonna be specifically a show car now. So, new car coming soon. I am so excited. I can't wait. It is gonna be awesome. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Go check out the merch, link down below. I hope you guys enjoy. Go get it today. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys later. Add me on Snapchat for more of this beast right here. And grab the merch. This shit is lit. Alright guys, I will catch you later. Get your merch today.
What you see is what you get, cause I'm from out the project. Remember sliding in there, you the ducking dodging. Now my cutlass is so high, I don't know how to drive it. I'm on A1 D slime, but I ain't got no license. What you see is what you